Welcome to the lesson 1. In this lesson we are going to see what is video editing. So you are going to have the basic understanding about what is video editing, why we need, and what are the softwares we have to do video editing. Let us start. First, you have to know what is video editing. So this is the definition of the video editing process: the manipulation and arrangement of video shots. So now we have to know what is meant by shot, right? So when you are just switch on the recording button on your mobile or digital camera or any other video professional camera, then the recording process was started and you are just stopping the recording when it completed. So that one single video is called shot. So in this way you can able to create any number of videos. Each and every video was calling as a shot. For example, if you are making a food, so first you are doing one recording for 10 second or 50 second, and after that you are going to create another 10 second or 50 second or 30 seconds video. So finally when you are making the food, at the end you may have 15 to 20 those video clippings. Each and every video was called shot. So what we are going to do is we are going to arrange all those shots in the order what we request, and we are going to do the video editing process. So this is what is that means, the manipulation and arrangement of video shots. That is what is called video editing. Now let us move to the next slide. So we have two types of video editing. We have linear video editing and we have non-linear video editing. Linear video editing is a traditional video editing process. So they will have the film stripes. They will edit using the scissors. That is the beginning stage of the video editing process, because they will record on the films only. So after recording all those things in a film, they start to edit that with the help of the scissors on the studio. Then later in the same linear editing, we got video tabs. With the help of video tabs, they have recorded and they have used the video tab as a source, which means the raw video footage. And with the help of that video footage, in this video tab, they will edit using multiple video tabs. Like I'm going to have multiple players, the cassette players, which is the video cassette players on the editing software system. And what will happen is they will have a new blank that tab. So in a new blank tab they will record from those multiple the raw footage, the cassettes, which is the tab from the video. So that is the a beginning stage. We have used that concept, which is linear editing. Now we have non-linear video editing suites, which means we are not going to use the traditional format. We are going to use with the help of softwares in computer or laptop or tablet PC or mobile phone. So whatever you are going to use in a digital form, that form comes under this category, which is non-linear editing. So nowadays almost all those video editing processes going on in this format only, non-linear video editing. So this format right now used in film video editing, making a short film, documentary movies, television programs video editing, and we have YouTube video editing. Like not only for YouTube, we have all kind of social media video editing. So that all comes under this category only, which is non-linear video editing. So the softwares, all the video editing softwares also comes under this category, which is non-linear video editors. So these are the two types of video editing process we have. Now this analog video editing process is linear video editing. I was explained you in this my previous method. We are not going to use any software for this kind of linear video editing, which is also called analog video editing, because that does not involve any computer or digital softwares. And as I told you, this non-linear video editing called digital video editing, which means we are going to use all those data in digital form, which means zeros and ones on computer or any other digital device. Then In this course, we are going to see how to use this Adobe Premiere Pro for doing video editing. So Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the non-linear video editing software. We are going to do all those video editing in the digital form only. So this is one of the best software we have for doing video editing. There are so many Hollywood movies and other movies edited using this software, which is Adobe Premiere Pro. When you know the movie Hugo, which is won a lot of Oscar awards for the many things, got used Adobe Premiere Pro to do a video editing process. And the Deadpool movie, I hope you all know this movie, which is Deadpool. This movie, the first part is edited with the help of this Adobe Premiere Pro only, the complete movie. And we have the Avatar movie, which is released in 2009. This film was directed by James Cameron. So this movie is also edited with the help of Adobe Premiere Pro. And this Gone Girl, one of the best Hollywood film, which received many Oscar awards, also edited with the help of this software, which is Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is one of the best software right now and in past in industry. Let us see how to use this software using this course.